He's earned himself a lot of name being on the sidelines throughout the World Cup. The happy chap, and he is quick. Welcome to international cricket with a boundary. Width on offer, and it's taken with a big thank you.
Well, he shouldn't miss out on this. Whether it's the first ball of the inning, of the over for the newcomer or not, when it stands up to be hit, and it's a very well-controlled shot. He rode that bounce very well. You can see Nanda was on his tippy toes as he played it down and through to the boundary. Very, very convincing start, and that will put a little bit of seed of doubt in the youngster's mind. But you're talking about his pace, raw pace. That's what we're looking forward to.
Oh, nice take from Sarfaraz. It's a wide, would have gone for runs had he not got that glove onto it.
And he's also been told to not walk on the pitch. It's just maybe on his follow-through going on the danger zone. But what a good take that was by Sarfaraz.
That's the big moment, isn't it? Cap number 95, and it's a big moment for any player to earn national colours and that star that you've been waiting to put on. Lots of emotions, nerves. Good to see Babar Azam coming down, just having a word with him, and with his hands, the gestures that he's making, it's just telling him, be yourself, just don't try anything extra. On his right, Haris Rauf. It's a great thing that you support the youngster and then keep him calm and focused.
Babar Azam, always a soothing influence. He doesn't have histrionics, no, not too much activity. Quietly goes about his way. And it's clean him up. There you go. That was really a pacey delivery.
Well, there you go. A fuller one aimed at middle stump, right at the base of middle stump. And what do you know? Third ball in international cricket, and he's got his first. Beautiful delivery. And just going to check the front foot just to be sure. But what a ball that had pace. Oh, he's good. He's good. So Shahnawaz Dhani has claimed first blood.
No problems with that. Didn't know very much about it. Just there or thereabouts. Yoking himself mostly. Najmul Hussain Shantu has to depart just for 5. Bangladesh 7 for 1.
So the new batter in, Shahnawaz Hussain, 21 years of age, 10th opportunity to represent the country. Those numbers will surely start increasing as he gets more and more into the international arena. Look at that ball is beaten by pace. He was trying to work it onto the onside. It was pacey, and you can't get a better bullseye than this.
What about that? Well, he's not going to be cowed down by that fall of the wicket, and the pace that the bowler is delivering really open up his arms with a lot of confidence and gets himself a boundary right from the word go.
Yeah, the length was available. He just leans into it, and nicely placed as well. Great boundary to earn on the very first ball that you faced. They come quick and they go quick. I like the positive approach here from both the sides. Look to score runs. Quite an eventful over, starting with the boundary, a wicket and another boundary.
It's been a mixed over, hasn't it? As you mentioned, it's been a couple of wayward deliveries and then a very accurate one getting him the wicket. And that's good cricket. You just pay respect to the better deliveries.
Have a look at that. With action, and he's so focused as to where he wants to bowl. He's played some good first-class cricket as well. He's played some league cricket as well. That's where he earned his name. And surely the selectors saw that there is a lot of potential. And he's very keen to perform. He's very eager. He's got that want in him. 2 gone. It's 11 for 1.